In modern warfare, the use of drones for reconnaissance and attack missions is increasing. One of Russia's latest UAVs, the Merlin VR, is specifically designed for surveillance and intelligence missions on the battlefield. The Russian Ministry of Defense has released footage showcasing the combat operations of the Merlin VR Reconnaissance Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (UAV). This drone is designed for intelligence gathering, capable of operating in both automated and semi-automated modes. It boasts a flight endurance of up to 10 hours and can reach altitudes of approximately 5 kilometers. Equipped with a hybrid powertrain, the Merlin VR offers reduced acoustic visibility, enhancing its stealth capabilities. Throughout the ongoing conflict, the Merlin VR has been utilized by Russian forces for reconnaissance missions. However, Ukrainian defense units have successfully intercepted and neutralized several of these drones. For instance, on January 16, 2025, the 63rd Separate Mechanized Brigade of Ukraine downed a Merlin VR using first-person view (FPV) drone tactics. The Merlin VR features an aerodynamic design that allows for more effective maneuvering in the air. This drone is also equipped with stealth technology, making it more difficult to detect by enemy radar. Its relatively compact size enables flexible operations, whether in open battlefields or complex environments. As a reconnaissance UAV, Merlin VR is equipped with various advanced sensors that support its operations. The first advanced sensor is the electro-optical and infrared EO/IR camera. Allows monitoring in day and night conditions. The second advanced sensor is the synthetic aperture radar (SAR). Maps the terrain and detects targets even through smoke, fog, or bad weather. And the third advanced sensor is the real-time data transmission system. Provides the latest information to the military command for quick decision-making. The Merlin VR is classified as a medium-altitude long-endurance (MALE) drone, meaning it has high endurance and can operate for extended periods. It is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, allowing it to function in various environments, including snowy regions and deserts. In addition to reconnaissance functions, the Merlin VR is also likely equipped with electronic intelligence (ELINT) systems to detect and analyze enemy communications. This UAV can even be used in jamming missions to disrupt enemy radar or communication systems, supporting combat units in strategic operations. The Russian military has deployed Merlin VR in various operations, including conflict zones such as Ukraine. The UAV is used to identify enemy positions and provide coordinates for artillery strikes, monitor enemy troop movements and transmit intelligence data in real time, and support counter-terrorism operations and border surveillance. In the reconnaissance UAV category, the Merlin VR competes with drones from other countries, such as Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, the United States MQ-1C Grey Eagle, and China's Winglong 2. With the increasing use of UAVs in modern warfare, The Merlin VR strengthens Russia's position in air intelligence and technological warfare. With further development, this drone can become a serious threat to enemies who rely on air superiority. Similarly, in November 2024, the Ukrainian National Guard's 4th Operational Brigade intercepted another Merlin VR in the Lyman-Kupiansk sector. The recent footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense underscores the ongoing advancements and deployments of UAV technology in modern warfare, highlighting the Merlin VR's role in reconnaissance operations.